You know what? I love Street Fighters. Not because I own one, I don't say this because I own one, but Street Fighters are amazing, at least when it comes to looks. They are sharp, they are sexy, and when you look at how it translates to the riding experience, they're usually light, agile, and just easy to ride. One of the things that also makes Street Fighters special is, especially when you look at the lower cc, below 1000cc motorcycles, they're easy to upgrade to as well because they don't cost quite a lot. Now, the reason I'm talking about this specific genre of motorcycling is because the next motorcycle in our motor show updates is the Suzuki GSX-8S. This is the second motorcycle in the Suzuki lineup in terms of freshness that they have showed at EICMA 2022, and with that I want to welcome you to Motor Show Updates. I hope you're searching for your favorite motorcycle and I hope you're getting you all the information that you are on the internet for. Now, the second motorcycle that Suzuki has shown at EICMA 2022 is the V-Strom 800DE. They both share the same DNA, especially when we talk about the engine platform, because they're using the same engine. Yes, power and torque figures are not the same, but this essentially is an all-new engine. Now, we have had the GSX-S750 in India in the past, and that has been discontinued for a while now, but this makes so much sense if Suzuki were to ever introduce it in India. Now, apart from what we have seen in terms of the engine, there's just a lot of updates that have happened to this platform as well, by the introduction of electronics, by introducing so many things when we talk about equipment, especially when we talk about electronics, the usual Suzuki stuff where you get a low RPM throttle assist, so on and so forth. So in terms of equipment, Suzuki is slowly inching closer to what is now the benchmark or the standard when we talk about this segment of motorcycles, street naked 800cc motorcycles. Finish him. Now, the bigger question is, will it come to India? That will always be the biggest question, and I don't see why it should not, because we have already, like I said, we've already seen the GSX-S750 in the past, and this is such a nice, easy upgrade. The GSX-S750 was a really nice motorcycle that people could upgrade to, and with the introduction of electronics for the 800 with an all-new system in place, fresh looks, I think all of these things make this a very attractive package. Now, what this also means is that the motorcycle will obviously have an increase in price. How much is something that we don't know yet, but I think it is going to be pretty significant. So by the looks of it, we don't have clarity on whether Suzuki will launch it anytime soon, but we really hope it does arrive to India, because I think it is going to be a nice option for people to upgrade to, especially for someone who is currently riding a 390cc or even a 250cc motorcycle for that matter, and essentially who is looking at upgrading to a bigger motorcycle, especially something in the middleweight category. So this is it, the Suzuki GSX-8S. I hope I got that right. I know I did. What do you think about the motorcycle? Drop in your comments in the comment section below. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to drop those in the comment section as well. We'll be back with a lot more motorcycles. And in case you haven't seen a lot of our previous videos, straight from EICMA 2022, there is a separate playlist on PowerDrift. Please go and check that out too. There are some really interesting motorcycles that are being launched at this event. Thank you once again. My name is Varun Painter, and by this time you should know that I will see you later.